This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion for content creators. First, let's get your workspace ready. Begin by creating a dedicated space in Notion just for your content. This helps keep everything organized and focused. Next, structure your pages to reflect your content types, like videos, blogs, or social media posts. Don't forget to leverage Notion's many templates. They can save you hours and provide a solid foundation for your creative hub. Now, let's talk about planning and generating ideas. A robust content calendar is essential for any creator. Use Notion to map out your publishing schedule, ensuring you never miss a beat. Create a separate database to capture every single content idea that sparks your interest. You can then easily categorize these ideas by the platform they are for, the main topic, or even the specific audience you're trying to reach, making future planning a breeze. Next up is managing your content creation workflow efficiently. Notion allows you to design a visual workflow board, like a Kanban board, to see every stage of your content. From idea to published, you can track it all. Assign specific tasks to yourself or team members and set clear deadlines for each step. This ensures a smooth process, helping you stay on top of every project and meet your publishing goals consistently. Finally, let's organize your assets and resources. Notion is perfect for centralizing all your content assets, from images and videos to scripts and audio files. No more searching through multiple folders. Build a dedicated resource library within Notion to house all your inspiration, tutorials, and learning materials. You can easily link these resources directly to your specific content projects, ensuring everything you need is just a click or two away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.